Did you know that some of the hobbies you enjoy can actually make you wealthier? Yes, you heard that right. What if I told you that by simply doing something you love, you could save money, grow your wealth, and live a more fulfilling life? Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. Today, I'm going to show you 5 simple frugal hobbies that can actually make you wealthier. So grab a pen, because you'll want to take notes on these life-changing habits. Let's start with cooking at home. Now I know what you're thinking. I don't have time to cook. But hear me out. Cooking your meals at home, instead of constantly eating out, can save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a year. Think about it. The average meal at a restaurant costs around $10 to $15 per person. But you can make that same meal at home for a fraction of the cost, and trust me, it's a lot easier than you think. By cooking at home, you're not only saving money, but you're also in control of what goes into your food. You can make healthier choices, which can lead to better physical and financial health in the long run. And the best part? Cooking can be fun. Try making it a hobby. Find new recipes, experiment with ingredients, and soon you'll see how enjoyable and rewarding it is to cook your own meals. Plus, cooking at home doesn't have to be time-consuming. Batch cooking on weekends and prepping meals for the week can save you a lot of time during busy weekdays. You'll be amazed at how much you can save when you ditch the takeout and start cooking yourself. Next, let's talk about gardening. Whether you have a big backyard or just a small apartment balcony, gardening can be an incredibly rewarding and frugal hobby. Growing your own food can drastically cut down on grocery bills. Imagine having fresh tomatoes, herbs, or lettuce just a few steps away from your kitchen. Gardening isn't just about saving money on food. It's also a fantastic way to connect with nature, reduce stress, and gain a sense of accomplishment. You don't need to be an expert to start. Just pick up a few pots, some soil, and some easy-to-grow plants. Start small with herbs like basil or mint, and before you know it, you'll have a full garden of homegrown produce. And the best part? Gardening can actually increase the value of your home if you get into landscaping. It's an investment that keeps on giving. Not only will you be saving money and groceries, but you'll also be building wealth in the long term. Let's move on to DIY projects and home repairs. If you've ever hired someone to fix a leaky faucet or repaint a room, you know how expensive it can get. But did you know that learning how to do these things yourself can save you hundreds of dollars every year? DIY projects not only help you save money, but they also give you a sense of mastery over your living space. You'll feel a deep sense of satisfaction every time you complete a project, whether it's fixing a broken door handle or creating custom furniture. Thanks to YouTube and other online resources, there's no shortage of tutorials that can teach you anything from home improvement to furniture restoration. As you gain more skills, you'll save money, boost your confidence, and even increase the value of your home. Thrift shopping and upcycling, 2 hobbies that go hand in hand. Not only is thrifting a fun way to find unique, affordable items, but it's also a great way to save money while being eco-conscious. You'd be surprised by the gems you can find at second-hand stores, from furniture to clothes to books. Now, here's where the real magic happens: upcycling. Instead of tossing out an old piece of furniture or clothing, you can give it new life. A little paint, a few adjustments, and suddenly you've got a piece that's both stylish and functional. Not only are you saving money by buying secondhand, but you're also contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. By embracing the art of upcycling, you're building wealth in a way that's both creative and rewarding. Plus, you're helping the planet by keeping perfectly good items out of the landfill. How's that for a win-win? And finally, learning a new skill or craft. This might sound like a time investment, but trust me, it's one that pays off in the long run. Whether it's learning how to knit, sew, make candles, or even learning digital skills like graphic design or coding, these hobbies can turn into side hustles or even full-time income streams. Learning a new craft can also help you save money in unexpected ways. For example, if you learn to sew, you can make your own clothes or fix things that might otherwise need replacing. If you get into woodworking, you can build your own furniture. The possibilities are endless, and the best part? Many of these skills can be turned into money-making hobbies. There are endless platforms where you can sell your creations, whether it's on Etsy, at local markets, or even through social media. So not only will you save money by learning these crafts, but you can also generate extra income. Now that you've learned about 5 simple frugal hobbies that can make you wealthier, it's time to take action. Pick one of these hobbies, dive in, and start seeing the benefits for yourself. Remember, wealth isn't just about how much money you have, it's about the value you create in your life and the lives of others. By doing what you love and embracing frugality, you'll not only save money but build a more sustainable, fulfilling future. Which of these hobbies will you start today?